Hi viewers, what is Bitcoin? In today's video, we are going to look into Bitcoin Simplified, a beginner's guide for 2024. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer digital currency that operates without a central bank and allows direct user transactions through cryptography and blockchain technology. It provides a worldwide currency accessible to everyone with internet connection, ensuring security and transparency while posing a threat to established financial structures. Bitcoin is akin to digital gold, produced through Bitcoin mining, using powerful computers to solve complex puzzles. Originally revealed by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, Bitcoin has a market valuation that surpasses any other digital currency and has inspired the introduction of numerous other cryptocurrencies and a new era of online banking. Its creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, remains mostly unknown. Who invented Bitcoin and why? Satoshi Nakamoto, a pseudonym, invented Bitcoin in 2008 as a response to dissatisfaction with traditional banking systems. He introduced the network in 2009 and released the first Bitcoin software in 2008. Nakamoto's true identity remains a mystery, but their vision for a decentralized currency has significantly influenced cryptocurrencies and global financial landscapes. Bitcoin's foundational principles include decentralization, transparency, security, and a fixed supply cap to prevent inflation. By solving the double spending problem in digital currency, Nakamoto shifted trust in institutions to cryptography and the collective verification process of the network. Their true identity remains a mystery, but their vision for a decentralized currency has profoundly influenced cryptocurrencies and the global financial landscape. Key Bitcoin concepts. Cryptocurrency is a kind of virtual or digital money that is hard to counterfeit because it is secured by encryption. Blockchain is an online ledger that keeps track of every Bitcoin transaction. It functions similarly to a public worldwide spreadsheet that is unchangeable by anybody. Wallet, a virtual bank account, like digital pouch that securely holds your Bitcoin. A set of digital keys known as public and private keys. The public key is your Bitcoin address, which is similar to your email address, and the private key is the password you need to access and transmit Bitcoins. Decentralization is the idea that power is shared among all members of the network as opposed to depending on a single person. For example, decisions are made collectively rather than by a single boss. Mining is the process of applying computer power to crack codes, protect the network, and produce new Bitcoins in exchange. Satoshi is the 100 millionth of a Bitcoin is worth of the lowest unit of currency in the cryptocurrency, named after its enigmatic founder. BTC, the shorthand for Bitcoin that is commonly used to refer to the unit of money in transactions, pricing lists, and financial conversations, is BTC. What makes Bitcoin different from other currencies? Bitcoin, unlike traditional currencies like dollars, euros, or yen, is not controlled by a single government and is not dependent on the value of tangible items or the national economy. It is based on a decentralized network, with blockchain technology providing security and validation for transactions. The blockchain acts as an enormous public ledger that documents each Bitcoin transaction, creating a visible and safe history of all transactions. This is a permanent and irrevocable record, making the Bitcoin network safe and trustworthy. The network appears like a network of librarians, with computers constantly checking and updating data to ensure accuracy and acceptance. As a result, Bitcoin is a worldwide currency that is not influenced by any single entity. What does decentralized mean? Decentralized systems distribute power and control across multiple points, allowing users more autonomy and control over transactions and information. This approach enhances security and privacy by avoiding a single point of failure. Blockchain technology, particularly those using this approach, fosters transparency and trust among users. Inclusivity is another advantage, especially in underbanked regions. Decentralization encourages innovation and flexibility, as the system evolves organically based on user consensus. Overall, decentralized systems offer numerous benefits. What is the blockchain? The blockchain is a digital ledger that records all cryptocurrency transactions, organized into blocks linked in a chain. Each block contains a list of transactions, which becomes permanent and unalterable once added to the chain. The blockchain's unbreakable and secure chain references its predecessor through a cryptographic hash, ensuring the integrity of the transaction history and maintaining its reliability and security. This method of linking blocks ensures transparency and security in digital currency movement. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates through blockchain, mining, and peer-to-peer networking. It involves a process of transaction creation, where the sender specifies the recipient's wallet address and Bitcoin amount to send. The transaction is then digitally signed using the sender's private key, proving ownership. The signed transaction is broadcasted to the Bitcoin network for verification. Miners on the network verify the transaction's validity, ensuring the sender has enough Bitcoin and authority to send it. Once verified, the transaction is included in a block of transactions, where the first miner solves a cryptographic puzzle, adding the new block to the blockchain. What do I need to use Bitcoin? To use Bitcoin, you need a crypto wallet, a software that allows sending and receiving Bitcoin, and two keys, a private key for approving transactions and a public key for sending money. Keep your private key hidden to maintain control. As Bitcoin's decentralized network operates online, internet connection is crucial. A cryptocurrency exchange can be used to purchase Bitcoin, allowing you to swap it for fiat money or other cryptocurrencies. Once set up, you're ready to join the Bitcoin network. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the core of the Bitcoin network, ensuring the legitimacy and safety of transactions. It involves a global competition where users use powerful computers to guess a secret number, with the first to guess it adding a new block to the blockchain. The Bitcoin algorithm adapts difficulty based on the number of active miners and computational power. Miners verify transactions, prevent double spending, and add them to the blockchain. They receive transaction fees and block rewards, new Bitcoins, as compensation for their work and resources used to power their computers. The block rewards began at 50 BTC in 2009 and have been cut in half every 4 years through Bitcoin halving. For a more detailed explanation, refer to the expert guide, Bitcoin Mining, the backbone of the Bitcoin network. Pros and cons of Bitcoin. Bitcoin offers several advantages, including decentralization, security, privacy, global transactions, limited supply, and accessibility. It operates on a peer-to-peer network, reducing the risk of censorship, fraud, and interference from governments or financial institutions. Transactions are secured by cryptography, providing more privacy than traditional bank transactions. Bitcoin enables fast and cheap international money transfers, bypassing the need for currency exchange or traditional banking systems. Its capped supply of 21 million coins makes it deflationary, potentially increasing its value over time. However, Bitcoin's price is highly volatile, making it a risky investment and a challenging medium of exchange for everyday transactions. The network has limitations on transaction processing per second, leading to potential delays and higher fees during peak times. Regulatory uncertainty is another concern, as changes in regulations or legal status can affect its use, value, and acceptance. Additionally, Bitcoin mining consumes significant energy, leading to environmental concerns. Despite its inherent security, users are still at risk of theft, crypto scams, and loss due to hacking, poor security practices, or loss of private keys. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a comment in the comment section below.